I believe in Jim Beam. It's one of the most remarkable products, not only in the United States, but all over the world. People sometimes use it to get high in a bar, maybe after depressions or bad business deals or whatever. But we bodybuilders obviously use it as a high protein and high amino acid supplement. Now let's see.
How do you use that, Mr. Schwarzenegger?
We usually put it in a very sophisticated kind of
a jigger, a special jigger.
Yeah. Now, it's very important that you take the right measurement here because...
I have never drank in my life.
Wait a minute.
Oh my God. The skin is coming apart.
It's amazing.
Pump.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, do you want to get a pump? Buy something from Jim.
Fourth place,